In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Cal AI subscription on both Android and iPhone with a full, easy-to-follow guide. Whether you want to stop the subscription to avoid charges or just take a break, these steps will help you cancel quickly. For Android users, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Find Cal AI in your list and tap it. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. For iPhone users, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Select Subscriptions. Find Cal AI in the list and tap it. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm when asked. After canceling, your Cal AI subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. You can continue using the app until then. If you don't see Cal AI in your subscriptions, check that you're signed in with the correct Google or Apple ID, or that you didn't subscribe directly through the app's website. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to cancel your Cal AI subscription on Android and iPhone easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more useful app tutorials and tips.